Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are making two minimalist Christmas cards with minimal supplies. This is really good if it's for last minute or you have kids and you want to make something fun but not super complicated. So first we're gonna make a snowman card. We're gonna need a cardstock, and then for the background, I'm gonna have this, just blue. My favorite glue. I use it with everything. Just putting it on the side. How are you guys doing? Are you excited for the holidays? I am. I live in California, so there's no snow here, unfortunately, but I am definitely getting into the Christmas spirit, and I would love if we had more snow. I mean, snow at all. Okay, this one goes in the middle. Perfect. Okay, so for this, all I'm using is three different size circles for a snowman, which I already cut out to not make this video super long. So we need three sizes, and this is going to be looking from above. A scrap paper, a brush, and the pumice stone. We're going to add some shadows. Just on, oh, it got on my hand. Just a little bit to the side, like this. Very nicely. I bought a big pumpkin from Trader Joe's, and yesterday I made creamy red Thai pumpkin soup from scratch, and I was so surprised. It was really good. I took it to my neighbor, and then we had a scary movie night. I have started a new YouTube channel for cooking, and that's where I'm gonna be putting up the recipe. So if you're interested, there's gonna be a link down below for my other channel. And I want to make more pumpkin stuff for this season. I saw a really good pumpkin bread recipe I want to try. So excited. Alright, so we got three circles. Put that aside. Gonna grab a Misty because I don't trust my hands. Into this, I'm gonna put my card. Let me just put this on the middle. I have the stem set, and I'm just gonna use a few of the snowflakes. And I'm gonna put another one over there, but I just ran out. I am gonna be using a blue on this. So it's kind of like a baby blue. I just wanted to do a different shade of blue than the card. Oh, also, if you missed it, I'm putting Christmas themed another one. This is kind of light and it didn't show well enough. I'm putting Christmas themed craft supplies in the giveaways. So if you want to get some free Christmas supply, make sure you enter for my giveaway. It's super easy. All you have to do is answer one question. Okay, looking better. Yeah, this I think I bought this on Amazon, and it's taking a little bit to pick up, or maybe it's because the blue, not sure, but it's the first time using this color. Okay, that looks cute. It took a few tries, but it looks good. I'm gonna put one more over here. I didn't put any in the middle because that's where my snowman is gonna go. Okay, first I have brown and red. Okay, so from the brown I want to do stick figure hands, so I'm just eyeballing here like this. First, just cutting a Y, cutting 2 Ys. Like that. And now cutting into here, tiny little bit, triangles. These are gonna be the fingers. Alright, so those are gonna be the hands, and this is gonna be part of the scarf. So I'm gonna cut it in half first. And I'm gonna lay it on top of each other. That'll be quicker. It's a little too long, so I'm gonna cut off a bit. And what I want to do with this is cut a V in. So, like that. Okay, back to my card. If you want, you can use a double-sided foam. I want to, so that's what we... If you want, you can, but you don't have to. You can just lay it on top of each other, but I do want to use a double-sided foam because I think it will add a really cute little addition. So I'm gonna put a little bit above, not on the middle, just a little bit above. And then these ones. This one is going on top. And then this one is gonna be my last one. Oh, I just got a little bit of nail polish on that. Oops. He needs eyeballs. I'm gonna cover that with something. First, I need to give him some eyeballs. Okay, that looks cute. And then also, he needs to be smiling. And we're gonna do that with black circles also, making it look like rocks, because that's usually what people put in here, little rocks. Okay, and then a little orange one, and from this we're gonna cut the nose. So this one has to be longer. We're gonna do a V shape, making it look like a carrot. And then this will go over the nail polish I accidentally glue. Perfect. I also flip over, and then we're gonna add the scarves. So I need to glue them on like this on the bottom. Just put in some here. Okay, let that dry for a second. Make sure you always close the tip. Okay, now we're gonna add some foam to this. And this will go on top. Nice. If you want, you can add a sentiment. You don't have to. Almost forgot the hands. And oh, buttons. You're gonna need buttons. We'll put 3. And the hands. This one will go on with the glue. And I'm gonna put the glue on top, just on the tip, and go underneath here. Then we'll glue to it. Alright, just the tip right here. Put the other hand over here and press down a little so it picks it up. Nice. Okay, the first card is done. If you want, you can put a sentiment on it, but we're not going to right now. Okay, next card is going to be super easy but beautiful. Cardstock. For the background, I am using this embossing folder. I believe this is from Sizzix. And this is how it came out. It is gorgeous. I love it. It's a little bit too big though. Let me cut this off a little bit. Okay, so I'm using this. Let's see. We'll do that much first. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, it's good. So it has two sides and both is beautiful, but I always prefer the one when it comes out more. I like this one. Okay, first glue this down. There you go, on all sides. Ding ding. Glue is on, and I'm just gonna try to center as well as I can. Looks good. Nice. Okay, then I have this die cut set that's for ornaments, and I have a big booklet of Christmas theme scrapbook papers. So I use the die on this design and a little bit of glitter, silver glitter. So what I just have to glue this one on first. So gluing this first. That's a lot of glue. Just putting this on top of it. Okay, nice. And then over here. And this down on the card. And I like it when it sticks out just a little bit. Okay, then I have this rhinestone from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, this is an amazing find. I actually bought a few of these. All of this for $1. Yeah, I had to. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is measure this first. It goes till here. Okay, because they're all together, so you can either have a long line or just until where you decide to cut it off. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of glue on here because I'm not sure how secure it is. And a little help, just a little bit of glue, just in case. I don't think anything would happen, but who knows. Okay, there you go. Look at that. That's so pretty. I love it. The card is done. If you want, you can put a sentiment on it. Ta-da! Let's take a closer look. Here are the closer. Minimalist, last minute, quick Christmas cards are done. You can literally just cut circles out with your scissors and put a little bit of decoration on it, make it look like a snowman. And for the other one, you can use any design paper you have at home. It's so easy, so quick, and it's cute, it's adorable, and it's really good for kids. It's not complicated, it's easy to put together, and it's fun to make. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope I give you a little bit of idea what to make if you don't have a lot of things at home. Make sure to participate in my giveaway. I'm doing a lot of Christmas themed stamps and dies. Thank you so much and have a fantastic rest of the day.